Bonjour Sarah,
Bonjour Lilia,
how are you today?
I'm fine, c'est un plaisir.
Merci de ton temps pour cette interview.
I can continue. Okay, it's nice.
Please tell me what are the most important elements in your work as an artist and as a gallerist?
Okay, and well, I did my master's in America, art history and painting. At that time, I did more abstract flowers and partly impressionistic, partly abstract. Then, because I've studied art history in Turkey, and I am inspired for Turkish art, and there are stylized birds in Turkish art that was interesting to me, and I just get the idea from this stylized birds because they represent fantasies, they are not realistic. So I did birds, and I am inspired also Turkish shadow theater characters. And then I did other subjects. I didn't stay there, you know. I choose sometimes. I paint fishes sometimes, women with flowers, landscape sometimes, and I have that kind of freedom.
You use mosaic, don't you?
No, but people find those qualities in my work.
I see.
I don't know. In the bird, my details were very abstract. It was a stylized bird, but some people thought it's a kind of mosaic influence. It is their opinion.
I see.
I didn't do deliberately.
Okay. But you are inspired by your Turkish culture?
I did. Not the beginning I told you that abstract period wasn't inspiration from Turkish art, but after that I did. Turkish harem dancers and court life and Turkish Sultan, his wife. I did a lot. And now I'm not doing. I'm doing cats these days. I love cats. So I choose a subject every other year and I go for it.
And as a gallerist, what are the most important elements in your work?
Well, I like what I'm doing as a gallerist. I like to exhibit different artists. And for me, is the quality is important. Any style is welcome. Like could be realism, could be surrealism, doesn't matter. As long as artist has some quality, this is my choice. And many artists in my gallery from different parts of the world, they all are Canadian citizens, but they bring certain things from their culture. That is the interesting part. Like these days, 3 Ukrainian artists, 1 Russian artist, 1 Romanian artist, 1 Hungarian, 3 Turkish. Makes more interesting.
Of course. And in what way does it differ from other cultures?
Well, they have every country. They are inspired their own culture. They grew with it.
Okay.
It's the reflection of their culture, of course.
So your culture has no boundaries.
No way. We have the freedom.
So you're in a way global.
Global, yes, I would say that. And also I did exhibit different parts of the world. I went Paris, I went St. Petersburg, I had a show in Istanbul, south of France. I did.
Well, thank you so much, Sarah, for your time and this beautiful interview. Merci
My
beaucoup.
pleasure. Vous êtes très gentil. Wow, we had fun.